Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I'll be teaching you how to prepare bread. The kind of bread I'm making today is a yummy buttery bread. You will love it. Come with me guys and let me show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I've got 1 egg ready. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of yeast. Here I've got salt. I've also got 3 cups of flour. Here I've got 1 cup of milk. Here I've got oil. Here I've got 1/3 cup of butter ready. I've got 1/4 cup of sugar. Here I've got the baking bowl I'll be using to mix my flour, and right here I have got my baking pan ready. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. First I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar into a warm milk and also add yeast to it. This milk right here has been warmed. I'm going to stir it, set it aside for 10 minutes. It's now 10 minutes and as you can see, it has risen and is ready to be used. Next, I'm going to start mixing my flour. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and also add sugar, Ingo's sugar. Stir. After stirring, I'm going to add egg and also add my melted butter. Melt your butter before using, and then I'm going to add my milk. Now I'm going to stir properly to ensure I get the right consistency. As you can see, it has been mixed properly. I'm going to place it on a flat surface that has been sprinkled with flour. Add a little bit of oil and knead. Ensure it's properly done and then place it in a bowl. Ensure there's a little bit of oil in the bowl. Rub it around the dough. Cover with cling film and clean cloth and set aside for 1 hour. As you can see, it's 1 hour now and the dough has risen, it's ready. From here, I'd love you to follow the process of whatever I am doing. For the sake of the video, we want the video to be short, precise and easy to follow. Just follow the same process, do what I'm doing. This dough right here can make 3 loaves of bread, but for the sake of the video, like I said, I'm just going to show you one because I want it to be quick and easy and a short video for you to follow. I love when I'm watching a cooking video. I love it to be quick and precise. I'll be back when the dough is in the pan. Enjoy the video. The dough is ready and as you can see, I placed the parchment paper in my baking pan to help my bread come out easily after baking. Now cling film on, cloth on. I'm going to set it aside again for another 30 minutes and then it will be ready. It's been 30 minutes now. I'm going to whisk egg with a little bit of milk and then rub it on the dough and dough will be ready to go into the oven. I turned on my oven 180 degrees. Now it's time to put my dough into the oven. I'm going to allow the dough to bake for 20 minutes and then it will be ready to serve. It's been 20 minutes and my bread is ready. As you can see, my soft, buttery, yummy bread is ready. I'm now going to plate it for you guys to see. Look at that. Bread is ready. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? Go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video you will be notified. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you all. Remain blessed and have a beautiful new month. Bye bye. Ciao.